Hi all, so welcome to the today's tutorial. So today we will learn how to make our AI more intelligent. Right now they are very dumb. Let's imagine if I have killed one AI and wait for it. So first AI died. This is our second AI. See, in front of the second AI first died, but he doesn't bother. He won't do anything. He's just doing his task. Okay, so we will do that. For that we need a few components. So let's see. So one AI is here. Let's imagine one AI is here. So there is a component called source stimuli, AI source stimuli. It is the component we will put that which AI wants to observe. So here one AI is observing all others AI. So we will put source, I mean stimuli. So AI stimuli component will be there in the AI, so they can be observed by another AI. Second is how they can observe through the perception component. Perception component are the senses. Let's imagine they can see, they can hear, they can feel touch, they can feel damage. So these are the senses. So we will add the sight, SIGST, sight senses, so they can see. That's our target. So let me open my rider. So we are on the rider side. So in public I will define the components. Components, a property, edit anywhere. I don't want to read it in the blueprint. Okay, so first thing is UAI perception stimuli source component, forward declaration, yes. Make sure that I am forward declaring it. So it included a one line at 8th, and I will name it as stimuli source. Another component is the perception components, u property, edit anywhere, UAI perception component, again add forward declaration, pointer, perception component. So these are the two things which we do want to add in the header. In the constructor class, after tick, what we'll do, we'll check stimuli source dot, okay, stimuli source create sub object of type UAI perception stimuli source component. We will give it a name. Okay, so stimuli source component, let's see what are the functions available. So one is the register with perception system. So once you are done, like what are the registered senses, then we will register. So this is the last function which we will call. This is register for senses. So let's imagine we want to be observed for sight, for touch, for damage. So these are the senses which we will register. This is for the unregister, and this is for register unregister for particular senses. So these are the four main functions. Okay, so we will register for sense, and here it is taking T subclass of UAI senses, UAI sense underscore sight. It is the child of UAI sense, so we will use that static class. Okay, we can give more sense to him, but for now we will do that. Next, once we are done, so there was one more function called register with perception system. Once we are done with register for senses, we will register for the perception system. Okay, we are done with the stimuli. Now we will work with the perception component. Create default subclass UAI perception component. perception UAI perception component static class. No, oh sorry. So text. So we created the perception component. Here we will add the different senses. So first senses is UAI sense config site. So these are the different which you can see we can damage, we can hear, like AI can be damaged, can hear, can predict, can touch, and different thing. Okay, so config site is equals to, again, create default subobject of UAI sense config text config site. Now we will configure site radius. I'm keeping it to 1000, not much, and config site lose site radius. Let me explain what does I mean. Open my paint. So let's imagine this is the periphery. I can see in this area. Okay, so as soon as one AI will enter, so my focus is here. Okay, as soon as this AI will go, I will have one more boundary. Okay, after having the focus, I can look and focus him for longer. So this is the losing site radius. This is 1000, this is 1500. Got my point? So for the first time when he will enter this, it doesn't matter because I'm not focusing him, so I don't know him. But as soon as he will inside the inner circle, then I know him, I'm focusing on him. And when he is going out, then this will be considered 1500 when. Okay, config site detection by affiliation dot b detection neutrality. So what we are doing it here, we are just making neutral. We are saying, okay, you have to observe everyone, you don't have to ignore according like if anybody is enemy or friend, but you have to focus on everyone. Now we configured the site. Now we have to attach this site to the perception component. So perception component dot configure site get. Okay, now we have to add. Okay, now everything is done. Now we want to have a function like as soon as the perception component detects anything, let us know. So perception component on target perception info update, get perception info update dot add dynamic this comma. We will add the signature, control click. So this is the signature, common, copy paste it, alt make it private, you function void on perception info update. Alt enter generate. I will move this function somewhere here. We'll give its address. Perception component on target perception updated add dynamics, same drill. For this also we will copy the signature, control, this is the actor and stimulus, Both works the same way actually. AI base on perception updated. Alt enter, create declaration, add your function. Okay, done. So this is done. What do we want actually? Okay, first we will check is it working fine or not. So utils 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 dm on perception update info, this and on perception updated. Okay, think this is good. Okay, let's try. Control B. Okay, giving some error. No, okay, perfect, fine. Okay, it crashed actually. Okay, so first thing which you have, okay, one more thing, when we are doing that, make sure that we have included AI module. Without AI module it won't work, so make sure that it is there. Compile it again. Oh, okay, I did a mistake. I kept it empty, so that's why. Compile it again, stop and return. Okay, game is up. Go to the AI. First let me check how many AIs are there. 2. Open the flue. Okay, first is the serialized source. So if you will see in the registered at source nothing is there, so this is the bug, but it will work, so bear with me. Next is the perception component. You can see we have senses config, AI site config. Okay, we haven't set the dominant sense yet because we have to set it if we have multiple senses, but we already have the site senses. Let's check. Site radius, loose site, we have everything here. Perfect. Okay, let's simulate it. They're not moving. Okay, okay, info updated. Okay, everything is working fine. Cool. Next thing which we have to do as soon as the info is updated. Okay, there's one more thing. So difference between the on target perception info and the on target perception update. So this delegate will not be called if the source actor is no longer valid by the time a stimulus get processed. Okay, so this is first. Second is this will be called if the source actor is no longer valid. So we won't use it actually. Info 1. So we will remove the info and we will remove this too. We will remove the info. Okay. Now we have the stimuli directly, we can work with it. So what we do want to do, so as soon as I see a body, first I will observe if there is a AI. If there is a AI, then I will check its health. If it is 0, then it means he's dead. So I will turn the AI mode which we were using in the Blackboard component. I will set it as the height. Okay, so this we will do. So let's check if stimulus dot was successfully sensed. If it is true, then what we will do, we will get the actor. So AI base AI observe AI is equals to stimulus source dot the no target. Okay, actually we do have the actor directly, so we can cast him. So cast AM AI base actor. If we have the observed AI, then I will check if observed AI health is equals 0. We will print I found a body. Next thing which we can do, observed AI. I think we have set that Blackboard entry before also. Let me search health. Nope. Hide. It is not there. Weird. Give me a second, let me search. Set value as object. Project. Okay, let's do it here then. Observed AI dot get controller. We will cast this controller to AI controller. Cast AI controller. So AI controller have the Blackboard. So Blackboard component dot set value as enum f name and the value. AI mode, AI under attack. I think it was AI mode. This we have to check if we are setting it correct or not. This should do the task. Let me check one more thing again. Let's go to the core AI brain. Okay. So as soon as we are shooting, I think the AI was hiding. Okay, I think we haven't coded that condition yet, because in my current understanding, as soon as we were getting damage, like here, as soon as we got damage we are updating everything, but we are not updating this. So we will do one more thing. Okay, so as soon as we are getting damage, okay, what we will do, uh, in the on taking damage function, okay, we are doing it here. Copy and paste. AI mode, blackboard key, AI mode. Okay, perfect. I was thinking like we should have done this. Okay, we are doing this on damage function. As soon as the damage is there, it should move to this condition. Let me check if it is working, because I don't think it is, because when we are shooting, the move to is still intact. Okay, let me delete one AI so we can observe one only. It is working. Okay, it is taking time to find the head location. Is it like that? Target location. Target location is valid. Okay, let me check. There is some issue in this function. Find location to hide. Find location to hide. Okay, we have the, okay, let's we have, let me check if we have the hide class in our scene. No. Content actor. Okay, we don't have it. I think we created in a previous tutorial. So we are checking of locator to hide. C++ class, they see actors locator. Let me save. It might be a possibility that I'm not sure. Maybe I forgot to save. This is really weird. Okay. Put it like this. It should work now. Let's try that again. Okay, now it is working. Okay, so head back to our original task. Let me save everything again. Okay, so as soon as I will see a body, it will run. Control B. Compiled successfully. Let me put two AIs. Let's try. If I will shoot one. Other. Let's see if he will find that. He found the body. Okay, see at the left he says he found the body and he is hiding now. Okay, perfect. It did work fine. Let's try that once again. let them move. We hit the head, health is down. Okay. Okay. It did work, but he don't see the body. Let's try that again. Just to be on the safe side. We'll wait for. Okay, nobody is going there. Try. He's moving. Okay, he again found him out. Is it visible from here? Might be. Okay, but you got the point, I think. So this was it for today. I'm saving everything down as I did mistake in previous tutorial. Maybe I forgot to save. So this was it. If you do like it, just like and subscribe and have a nice day. Bye bye.